What is the divisibility rule for 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. As an example, let's take a look at this number, 216. The sum of its digits, 2 plus 1 plus 6, is 9. The divisibility rule for 3 states that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. There is no remainder, therefore 216 is divisible by 3. Let's use long division just to check that this is correct. 3 goes into 2 0 times. Now you multiply 0 by 3, which gives you 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Move down the 1. 3 goes into 21 7 times. Now multiply 7 by 3, which is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. Finally, copy down the 6. 6 goes into 3 2 times. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now you subtract 6 from 6, which gives you a remainder of 0. As you can see, 216 is divisible by 3, because there is no remainder. This confirms that the divisibility rule holds for 216. Let's look at another number, 214. Is 214 divisible by 3? The sum of the digits is 7. 7 divided by 3 leaves a remainder, so 214 is not divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3.